Hello, welcome to TW Audio. I'm Thomas Vestergaard. I'm working here for TW Audio. And I want to show you our latest product here called Ella. And this cabinet here, the module here is called E6. So it's a 6.5-inch low frequency driver and 5 dome treaters in front in a horn-loaded device. The nice thing here with the box is a cardio box. So we have passive boxes here on the back that do the cardio function in a passive way. So it's a one-channel driven cabinet, and it's a flexible, scalable system that can hang up to 20 boxes. It's a 5-kilo box each, and we have all kind of rigging parts. So there's a place here for the bottom part that connects to a stand. You can have them on a pole mount stand, or we have rigging parts here for the top that you can see over the pictures here. That you can have a fly bar, so we can fly the cabinets. Rigging size is here on the back, so we can have different angles on the boxes, and it's from our calculation software where you can find out how to set the angles between the cabinets. So it's a nice small line array module, 110 degrees dispersion and 10 degrees up and down. So if you want to know more about our products, then go to twaudio.com and you can find more information about what we're doing. So thanks for now.